good morning. This is Leonidas. I hope you enjoy my video of me showing you all of my fidgets. So, going on to my hard fidget toys. So first I have my wacky trap that I got in fidget. I didn't buy it. A wacky trap. Some people call it a snap and click. Next is my two tangles. Let me find them. So my two tangles. This one's mine. This one's my dad's. He lets me use his as well. So I have two clickers. Really good to click them. So if you have a can of this or something in your fridge, check your top. It makes a click noise. So I have two of these. This one's from like hot dogs. This one's from pickles. And then I have my puzzle ball. Stop. So I love my puzzle ball very much because it's really fun to play with and it doesn't really give me struggles.
And it's a beautiful color.
Yeah. It's like a ball or something. Okay. Then I have two snakes. This one's a little one. Let me just get it. So I love to put them in like boxes. They're really fun. Wait. I think I can do it this time. Because last time I couldn't. So you just get it all straight and then you just put these edges up. Go to the middle. Snap like that. Oh, too small. Okay, I can do it just not right now. Yay! Do one, not the other. So, this one's flashes, this one's from Smeagol's, it literally says it on it. And this one's from like an unboxing fidget. Yeah, Amazon. Oh my! I can't tell you how many zippy bracelets I have. Because I don't even know. I think I had 28 or something. I thrown already 2 away because they were really bad. So here's the zippy. I'm going to only show you one because there's tons. So you dip this one for back and forth. And you can also put it into a bracelet. All of them you can do this with. So these are magnets that I got on Amazon. And you can put them on separate fingers like this. They're really fun to roll. Roll around with my fingers. This one's from Father Christmas. This one's from Unboxing. So, they're called Infinity Cubes if you want one. What you have to do is go like this and then you whoosh. It's so much fun. It's like it never ends. Keep your hands very busy. As you can see, I was just flipping. I'm going to type my hand. I'm going to later. So it's very fun. So I have this one. I didn't know what they're called again. Slinkies. I have this slinky. This slinky. This slinky. That one's high. This slinky. Okay. Marble and mesh. There, and you can push these two together to make a pitch, and you can move the marble in the mesh. So I get why they call it marble and mesh. Then I have this snake thingy. I don't know if it's really like a fidget, but it's good. It's still good. I just wouldn't let my nieces play with it because they, like my cousins, not my niece. So then we have these two. I don't know what they're called. I forgot. I have these two cubes, but I don't know the names. They might be called cubes, I don't know. Then we have these snappies, and snappies, and this.
Beautiful color.
Yeah. Then I have this fidget spinner. It literally has the name fidget in it.
You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have
Can I show you something on my trick?
me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away.
Then this is like a baby toy, but it's fun to move around here.
My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever young.
And it just has the texture. Then we have this that keeps you like entertained. So let me show you. So you get it's the turtle in the back. Did get, and then I have a ball and a maze. Never tried it. Oh, I got one. Anyways, that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you really, really liked it, give a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to Leonidas World. See ya next time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I hope you liked this video. I'll see you again. Bye for now.